Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Prey Expedition Workshop. So glad to have you. This theme this week is microorganisms, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my friend Ann Madden. And you're not only going to get to visit with her virtually tonight, but in person in June, because Ann's coming to spend some time with us.
So thank you all for giving me the treat of being with you this evening and talking about exploring secret partnerships, microbial symbiosis, and using iNATURALIST. And so I am a scientist and a microbiologist, and I explore the microscopic world around us, looking at species that exist just beyond the line of sight and figure out how we can partner with them to make the world better. But if we grow them in a lab, with nutrients and in these little plates, they start to come alive as they replicate and create these piles of cells so that now we can see them. And that's when you start to see these different species come alive with different colors and forms and aromas. So one of the microbial species pictured here smells like really good cheese. And another species smells like feet. A third one smells like a bouquet of roses. These microscopic creatures were amazing to me, as different from one another as the different animals and plants I saw in the jungle. I realized that we live in an unknown jungle around us. It's just out of sight. And when we talk about microbes, we often talk about those that cause us harm, that create disease. And some microbial species do. That's why we wash our hands, and it's definitely why we wear masks. But most of these microbial species don't hurt us, and some even help us. You'll learn more later this week about some of the microbes that have beneficial partnerships with us. But needless to say, learning all this, I was convinced to be a scientist and to be a microbial explorer, or an explorer of this microscopic jungle.